In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace on Android. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Marketplace icon in the menu and tap it. From there, choose Create New Listing to begin setting up your sale. Facebook Marketplace gives you a few different listing types, including item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale, or rent. For most everyday products, you'll want to select Item for Sale. Choosing the correct listing type helps your item appear in the right place and makes it easier for potential buyers to find it. Next, upload photos of the item you want to sell. This part is very important because photos are usually the first thing buyers notice. Try to use clear, high-quality images with good lighting and a clean background. It's also a good idea to upload multiple photos so people can see the item from different angles and get a better sense of its condition. The more complete and honest your photos are, the more trust you can build with buyers. After that, fill in the product information. You'll need to enter the product title, price, category, condition, description, and availability. Be as accurate and descriptive as possible here. A clear title and detailed description can save time later by answering common questions before buyers even message you. It also helps set the right expectations, which can lead to smoother transactions. Once your item details are complete, set your location. Enter your city or local area, then choose how far away buyers can search from your location. If shipping is available and makes sense for the item you're selling, you can enable that as well. This gives you more flexibility depending on whether you want to sell locally or reach buyers farther away. Before posting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the photos, pricing, and item details to make sure everything looks right. When you're satisfied, tap Publish. After that, your listing will appear on Marketplace once it has been approved. When buyers start contacting you, respond to messages as quickly as you can. Answer questions clearly, and if someone asks for more photos or extra details, provide them when needed. Fast and helpful communication often increases your chances of making a sale.